You weren't rolling there, were you?
Hi, I'm Danny Allen. I'm the Vice President of Technical Operations for DataBank. I'm responsible for all facilities infrastructure and site expansions. DataBank is a leading provider for co-location services in the Dallas market. The data center is everything to our business. Well, we design a very fault-tolerant facility. We monitor over 23,000 points in this facility on a daily basis. Our customers expect that we install the best equipment, we maintain it to the best of our ability. All of their critical business systems rely on our infrastructure. So it's important to me to provide 100% uptime and reliability to my customer base. The biggest challenge for DataBank is efficiency. Everyone's heard of the term PUE. It's a major factor in doing business in the multi-tenant environment today. Everyone from my CEO to our customers want to know how efficient we're running the data center. We're always looking for the best technology on the market and the most efficiency we can get with our infrastructure. So those were the two key motivating factors that we looked for in the equipment selection for this particular build. We had heard about the Uniflair product line and about Schneider from a third party. We were intrigued with what we had heard, so we were invited up to the R&D facility in St. Louis to evaluate the units, meet their engineers, and so forth. We spent the entire day there honestly looking for something to find wrong with the units. At the end of the day, everyone walked away really praising the units and amazed at the engineering aspects that had went into it. There were a number of reasons that we chose to go with the Uniflair product line. Both from an OpEx and CapEx perspective, it offered us some savings. The units are of larger capacity than we normally see, so in this particular case, I only had to purchase 14 units versus 17. In addition to that, the monthly operating expenses, according to my calculations, are about $5,000 less a month. Both of those are very big motivators for us to go in this direction. The experience for DataBank has been very positive in dealing with Schneider to get these units implemented. We've had great service, activation, testing, commissioning, had a number of techs here. I couldn't ask for any more.